How to turn on or turn off Sync FreeForm to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down. At the bottom here, tap on iCloud. Then in here, tap on the CO button. Next, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Freeform, tap on the toggle button to turn on sync or switch off sync. When you turn it off, it asks you, do you want to delete from iPhone? So are you sure you want to turn off Freeform boards? Some changes have not been uploaded, so if you want to turn it off, you can choose so. So if you turn off Freeform boards, these changes will be lost. So tap on delete from iPhone. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.